about Ma hai na?
Everything. First and foremost, a very, very good evening to everyone present. And I'm so happy all my celebrities are not cooking today. क्योंकि शो देखने के बाद आपको समझ आएगा. एंड मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी भगवान को कि मैं आज जिंदा हूँ. क्योंकि हमने इनका खाना खाया है. No, but I have to say I had the best time. When I said yes, I always try to serve some interesting content to our audiences, and entertainment is not easy, especially when it comes free. Someone in front of a television screen watching something on OTT, to have them still seated and find what you're doing interesting is a really difficult task. But let me tell you, my job was made very, very easy by the channel and Preeti and Neeti, who did an absolute crazy job. A very, very a really interesting piece of no, I was going to say content, but एक content नहीं है, because actually when I decided to do this show, मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ, इंग्लिश में बिल्कुल जो भी है ना, OTT है ना. जब मैंने हाँ कहा तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि बहुत ही फनी होगा, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट होगा. गौरव कपूर है हमारे साथ. मुझे लगा कि बहुत एंटरटेनिंग होगा. लेकिन मैं सेट पे गई और दूसरे एपिसोड में मैं करके रोने लगी. मैंने कहा ये क्या हो गया. सो दैट्स व्हाट रियलिटी इज अबाउट. यू डोंट नो व्हाट ट्रिगर्स एन इमोशन, एंड all said and done, it's just amazing that we were able to create the most amazing, entertaining episodes, full of life, energy, and a lot of love, a lot of bonding. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि we had this set in our first season. ये क्या हो गया? हाँ, okay. In our first season, आप सभी को देख के बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. And like we've always said on the show, and I believe that कभी भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, उसका सिर्फ एक ही हल है, माँ है.
शिल्पा शेट्टी में नो शो माँ है ना. और इसके साथ मैं ये भी पूछना चाहूँगी अपने फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट कौन है. फटाफट से ये बता देते हैं. फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट जोड़ी, द माँ बेटी जोड़ी या फिर पापा बेटी जोड़ी, whatever, whichever works for you.
There is some very interesting stuff that has happened on our show, और उसका खुलासा मैं आज नहीं कर सकती. तो कुछ कमाल rabbits out of the hat pull out किए गए शो के दौरान. And I can't tell you what. That will be a surprise. So when these episodes drop, you will understand. But I think it would be very unfair to choose any one jodi, because I fell in love with each and every one of them. I mean, I know Sunita and Tina for much longer, but I love Gulu and his mom. उनकी मम्मी क्या डांस करती है? Yeah. And Shahida ji, amazing. She's an amazing star. Bhagya, I just love her energy, and her mom. Urvashi, we've seen her on television, and my God, Kshitij, better cook than his mom. Tina, Sunita, I've seen her as a baby. So I mean, I loved. अफगान तुम्हारा खाना मुझे नहीं था. तुम्हारी जो जलेबी थी, अफगान जलेबी जो गाना था बहुत अच्छा था, हमारी जलेबी उतनी खराब. And yes, there is one couple is missing. Where is that couple? Tanya, where is your mom? And Tanya, जो बहुत बड़ी स्टार है, she was amazing also on the show. I used to wait to see what sari she's coming wearing next. So, and where is Manisha? तुम लोग ऐसे अलग अलग ऐसे बट के क्यों बैठे हो? एक सीट पे बैठना चाहिए तुम लोग. Manisha Rani and her dad, too cute. बहुत लोगों ने चांस मारा आपके साथ. अंदर तो लड्डू फूट रहे थे, लेकिन दिखाने के लिए अब नहीं छोड़ो मुझे. And Ali bhai and Chandan bhai, they were amazing. They're not bhai but behan.
Chef Bahan.
Yeah. So I one day asked Ali bhai, when you go home, your wife recognizes you. But what an amazing team. Preeti, show your face, stand up. Big round of applause. Yes, Preeti. And Kaveri, who I was so tired, she made me work so much, I went and sat on her lap. I was like, I can't take it. Yeah. I said, Kaveri.
Shilpa Shetty Kurra, everybody
Wants me to stop talking.
No. It's you, man. You should never
So
stop.
when you know every team member's name,
Yeah.
I just want you to know, it just proves that this became like a family, you know. And Sam, not that I didn't take your name, GK, who really kept me in splits. One day, he came on set, he said, ये खाना खाने के बाद मुझे लग रहा है कोविड का तीसरा वैक्सीन पे लगाना पड़ेगा. You know, he kept me in splits. I loved doing the show. It's also my first show, by the way, as a host.
Congratulations for that. Shilpa Shetty Kurra.
तो मैंने बहुत सारे टीवी शोज किए हैं जज बन के, लेकिन होस्टिंग यार बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत मुश्किल है. और सुनीता एक्चुअली दिखाती नहीं है, लेकिन एक्चुअली है बहुत इमोशनल. And she was also in shock that Tina is such a bad cook. She wanted to disown her daughter after the first episode. But yes, all in all, racing through, you have to watch Mahena because it is really great content, very, very energetic, very entertaining, very emotional, and something different that we've tried to offer. So thank you, Z, for offering me this opportunity to try and do something different. Thank you.
I'm so glad that Shilpa Shetty Kurra